Namaste everyone. Welcome to House Construction Tips. So last video I showed you setup work for the solid sinks in the kitchen. So now all the granite slabs are installed. You can see this slab. This is for the stove, and here we are planning to keep the mixie, and you can see the electrical connection. And here this is the sink placement. So this sink placement will be there for the tube level. So corners, all four corners will be the for the tube level. It means everything, all sides, it will be even height. Okay, then after that, this side little bit height will be there, and in case if water spills here, what happens is it will slowly come and it will go here. So that is how we have kept it, and the same thing applies to here also. So here, this side little bit height is there, and that side slope will be there. And in case something water goes to that last, anyway we are planning to install the tiles, so that no at the tile edge water will come, and eventually it will come and land in the sink. That's how we have planned. And in case if something comes out also this side, we are planning to give the 1 inch gap after the woodwork related to kitchen completes. If any water spills here, and it will get dropped right here, so that no the wood will not get damaged.